Hey guys, this is Mansijanghel and today we are going to see how to make 90s video game effect in After Effects. So let's get started. So this vector illustration you see here is from Freepik. After exporting and separating layers in Adobe Illustrator, I animated this in After Effects. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel, give a big thumbs up to my video and click the bell icon to get a notification every time I post the video. For those who want to get the file, link is in the description box. So first we need to create a new adjustment layer. You can go to the menu bar, then select layer, then create new adjustment.